back? What's happened?
Nothing. I just see one woman and her daughter. I can't begin think of my life.
Cassie, why did you talk like that now?
It felt better if I remember how Mama did. But I don't remember how she looks like.
It's okay, eh? I don't tell you this thing so many times. You go get your memory back. It's only a matter of time, okay?
I just walk around, nothing in my head.
Don't talk like that
I
now.
really want to regain my memory.
You don't do. Oh yeah, come. Don't do. You go remember.
I am a star and I shine so bright. I am a star and I shine so bright. I am a star and I shine so bright. I am a star and I shine so bright. I am a star and I shine so bright. I am a star and I shine so bright.
Oh my God, Zina! What are you doing? You're stealing your pages. Like seriously, with your toothbrush as microphone. Why are you doing this to me? I thought we agreed that before I come out of the bathroom, you're all dressed as well. Look at me, I'm all dressed. Am I going out alone today? Or you're coming with me?
I'm coming with you.
You're coming with me.
Mommy, please can you help me brush my teeth?
No, I won't help you brush your teeth.
Please.
Can I ever deny you anything, Zina? Please, there's time for everything now. You're asking me to brush you? Seriously? What can you ever do without your mama?
Next.
Look at you. Come on, let's go. You are a star, you shine so bright, but you have to take your bath. You can't smell so bright, okay? Come on. Zina. Here, go into the bathroom. Let's go.
Daddy!
Good morning, my angel.
Good morning, Daddy.
How are you?
Guess what? Guess what?
Baby, you know that is bad with guesses. What is it?
I read a poem about you, but yesterday at school.
Oh, really?
Would you like to hear it?
That is not even a question. Please, go ahead.
Someone introduced me as Oop.
Zina Opiora. Alright, let's hear
My
it.
daddy is tall, strong, and sweet. He carries me high above the street. He gives me hugs and buys me cakes, and he always fixes my mistakes.
Wow! That was my darling. This is beautiful. I love it. You know what?
Hello. Hey. What's going on? No, mama. I didn't hear my name in your poem. What about me?
I'm saving things for Mother's Day.
Oh.
Beautiful.
I bet mine is gonna sound better than that.
Okay.
I do not know.
Now, please, come on. You have to finish dressing up for school. Your sandals, your school bag. I get your packed lunch. Go.
Okay, it's now 2 against 1.
Hello. What are you expecting? I get your packed lunch dinner. Come down quickly.
Alright, hurry up. Beautiful.
Oh, really good.
I'm tired.
Look at me water.
Wait now. Bring on. Thank you. I want drink. Okay now. Hey. 700, 900, 25. I be like say this money don't complete too. So wetin that one mean be say on Monday for morning we go comot go register you for school.
I don't tell you. I don't want to go school.
So wetin you wan do? You wan dey follow me up and down dey pick come?
That one not bad. At least money there.
Well, I don't want that kind of life for you.
I don't remember anything. I don't even remember how school be.
Now when you go to school, go remember am now. You go stay here, remember? And this school self, if it help you get your memory back.
Fine, I know they go.
I no go school, fine now. When that one starts, you tell me what I go do. Starting when? Well, my sister, you don't go school. You come dey tell story how you take go am because we go on Monday. Yes, you better prepare yourself. This your school self. You no be saying that the old one where you been dey go before. So you don't need pressure yourself. Try to remember anybody. Try to remember your teacher or your friend. Just go there, start afresh. It go help you. This one where I talk now, that ain't be fine now. You go school on Monday. Better prepare clothes where you go wear. Prepare yourself well because we don't dey talk now. Story how we take go school we dey talk now. Because we go on.
Fine, I know they go. They pour water for me.
Babe, I think she's had enough of that.
No, I haven't.
You haven't? Zina, your stomach will complain.
My stomach likes popcorn.
Cut her mouth. Stomach likes popcorn. Too much of everything is bad. Oh, I feel really sleepy already.
Excuse me, guys.
But
work.
Oh.
I have to take this call.
It's okay.
Mr. Clerk. Yeah, I got the email.
So what happens to Rapunzel's hair? What happens to Rapunzel's hair?
She cuts it down.
Wow. That means you've seen the movie before, so why are we seated here watching your movie that you've seen before?
You have not watched it.
Oh yeah, that reminds me, I have not watched it and I have to because my daughter loves Rapunzel, so Rapunzel.
What did you say?
No, I mean Rapunzel.
Did you say you're tired of
No.
my story?
How can I be? Am I mad?
Kasi. Find you. Before that fire accident, we take mama, can't take your memory happen. You know, say, if anybody come that time, ask you, Kasi, what do you want to be in the future? You go jump, you go there, you're always there happy. You go jump, shout, I want to be a doctor. Now wait till they talk.
No, I thought that one.
How you go take your remember? You know they remember anything since that thing happened. So I don't expect you to remember.
What if I don't want to be doctor? What if I don't want to go school again?
No talk that kind thing. Kasi, education na power. If to say mama no go, mama no leave us go, we not for lose everything. If you see where we dey live before, big mansion. The mansion sef big pass all these ones wey dey this one sef dey be duplex na compared to the mansion. Bungalow na wetin dem live compared to our house wey been dey live before, with our motor everywhere wey park around the compound. But see where we dey stay now na. No be say God no know wetin him do, God know wetin him do, but I just dey tell you, me sef I no for drop out of school because I love school well well. I no fit go school again because I gats hustle for the both of us.
Since you love school, go back to school. I'll hustle for us.
Cassie, this thing wey you talk now, e no good for person ear. Which kind elder sister I go be if I sit down for here dey go school, leave you make you go outside dey hustle? No now. That's you dey train me for school. You no go work like that. Abeg no talk that kind thing again. E no sweet for ear.
It no matter. I no wan go school again. I wan hustle for us.
Be like say this thing wey dey worry you don enter brain. Maybe I go talk, you go talk, I go talk one, you go talk 15. I don talk am. Whether you like am or not, you go go school. I been think say if I come up for here, come sit down, come talk to you with soft voice, soft mind, soft heart, you go listen to me. But I see say your head too strong. So we go do am by fire by force now. Whether you like am o, whether you no like am o, whether you dey frown o, whether you dey smile o, whether you wowo, whether you fine, you go go school. I don talk am. Na my final decision be that. And you no get wetin you go talk now wey go make me wey dey call Nkem change my mind.
Baby?
Yeah.
Are you okay? No. Baby, no. No.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So, where this time?
America.
Again? I mean, baby, can't they just get somebody else for once? It doesn't have to be you all the time. Are you the only one in the company?
Baby, no, this is the nature of my job. I have to be there.
Oh no, not again. Huh. Okay, so when are you leaving?
Next tomorrow.
What? Baby, like next tomorrow?
Yeah.
You just came back from Japan. Wait, hold on a minute. Were you just knowing that you're traveling next tomorrow?
My love, you know the nature of my job. You know how these things
No,
work.
I don't know. Sometimes, like, okay, when did you plan telling me? Or how you... Okay, when are you going to tell Zena about this? When? You're leaving next tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Oh.
I'll tell her tomorrow.
No.
Look, baby, you need to try as much as possible to understand the fact that I need to work. I'm thinking about something. Maybe we should start marketing Zena's poems. That way I can resign. What do you think?
It's not funny. I'm not even laughing.
Sorry.
No, it's not funny.
Don't worry, I'll be back now. Come on, you're behaving as if I'm gonna be forever. I'll be back.
I mean, Japan today and America tomorrow. It's too much. You need family time. You need to stay at home and be a dad and be a husband and be everything.
I know, but a dad and everything without money is nothing. Come on, you know that. Come on, baby, give me a smile. I'm sorry. 1 month, and I'll be back. Tell me something.
I'm not saying nothing.
Are you going to miss me?
No, I won't miss you. Leave me alone.
When are you coming back?
I promise you. 1 month tops.
That's what you keep saying, and you come 2 months after.
This one is going to be different. Look, if after 2 months they do not let me go home, I will resign I mean, who needs their stupid job when my daughter is a superstar?
Mom, you heard that? I'm a superstar.
Yes.
I'll miss you, Dad.
I know, my darling.
I'm still angry at you.
Don't be angry, my darling. My darling, I'm going to be back for you 1 month. Okay. I love you.
I love you too.
I love you too. Oh, beautiful.
You're a superstar.
I am a superstar.
Yeah, you are a superstar.
Nothing comes between. Nothing comes close. Superstar.
I know.
Mwah. Love you, Mama.
Me too.
I love both of you.
Love you, Dada.
Get good eye. You see, say, we don't more. So you still don't follow me talk? Huh? Pikin. This thing where you doing a small pikin thing, oh. I do and pass you. Before I go stop my own self, you go cry.
So, baby girl, how's the remote? What movie are you watching? Where's Zina? What's wrong?
I miss Daddy.
Come on now. I miss Daddy too. But I'm here. What about me? Z, Mommy's here, okay? And guess what? Time flies. Daddy's gonna be back in, let's say 2, 3, 4 weeks max. Before you know it, Daddy's back. Okay? So,
You make me smile.
say it again.
You make me smile.
You see? So, are we still seeing the movie or not?
We may.
We may! I know where to find it. Come.
Nope.
Come here.
Catch me if you can.
Okay, come. Daddy just called. Let me tell you what he said. Come!
No!
I'm not tricking you. Daddy just said something to me. I want to say it to you.
Fine girl. See, don't tell where I see you wear school uniform like this, eh? See as you fine, you look good.
So why?
Mm-hmm.
Even if I don't look good, you know go talk truth.
Who do you talk that one? Make I tell you, even if you be my sister, if you were, I could tell you say you were, but see as you fine.
Not so.
See this one. I beg make we dey go. We don't late. You know this is your first day of school. Make we not go late.
Wait. Why they follow me?
I know if you escort my sister go school again.
I know be picking.
Who like that kind like give you?
I know.
Make I tell you, which you be na pikins. You know say they talk. No be only pikins, if you be pikins. Make we dey go abeg. See this bag, you go manage am like this. I know say na normal school bag then they use carry go, but you know say we no get money. The money wey we get, we use am register you for school. If I make another money, I go buy you bag. Make we dey go. Auntie, adult baby. Make we go.
Hey, hold on. I just mopped that place. Just be careful. Zina, I told you! Zina! Oh my god! Zina! Hey! Zina! Hey! Zina! Hey! Zina! Please, I have an emergency. Please help me. What? Hey, what am I going to do? You know, hey! Oh! Hey! Zina! Hey! Zina! 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 Oh! Zina! Hey! Zina! 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 You're not dead. You can't be dead. Zina. 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 Zina, you can hear me, oh. Zina. Zina, you have to answer me. You have to answer me. Oh my God. God, just have mercy. Zina. Zina, I know you are pranking me, right? You're pranking me. The doctor is wrong. The child is not dead. I'm going to sit here. I'm going to wait. You can't be dead. You can't be dead. You can't be dead. You're going to wake up. We are going to prove the doctor wrong. You can't be dead. Zina. Zina is not dead. She's 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 not dead. Zina. Hey. Zina. 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 Oh! Zina! Zina! Zina!
Oh God. What's wrong, Daddy? It twists your belly. Yeah, pray.
Wow. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Christ, bless this food through Christ and God.
Amen. How's school?
It's fine now.
You don't make friend.
No.
Alright, now small.
How was it doing? How was it doing?
Thank God though, the 1.5 I make today, not too plenty.
Since I was there, I make around 3K.
Cassie, I beg, make you not talk about this thing. We don't talk and before and we don't talk and finish. You like the rice? Nah, Mama Ada, I buy her from her. That woman they cook. She. Chop.
Zina, wake up. Zina. Oh, Zina. Zina, wake up. Wake up. It's time up. Zina. This joke is becoming too expensive. This joke is becoming... It's not funny. Zina. 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 Zina! Oh, you wake up. You wake up. She's not dead. Dead! God forbid! See that you're sleeping, you're joking, you're playing! Zina! 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 Still sleeping at this time of the day. Hey, vanilla ice cream. Anyway, since she's still sleeping, I might just as well go downstairs and eat all of this vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla!
I thought you were meant to be sleeping, young lady. Actually, I thought as much. Anyway, continue your sleep while I go consume this ice cream. Let me just... Look at you. My friend, come downstairs. Let's go and do your assignment.
Well, what about the ice cream?
Hmm?
How about the ice cream?
Hmm?
How about the ice cream?
You mean this?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean this ice cream?
Yeah.
Fantastic, my baby. Dada! Carry an empty
I'm
plate.
sleeping.
My friend! Bundle you out of this. Vanilla ice cream. Vanilla. I'm going to get you your vanilla ice cream. Yes, vanilla ice cream. I'll get you vanilla ice cream. You're going to drink and you're going to wake up. You're going to wake up. Yes. Vanilla. Okay, I'm going to get you vanilla ice cream now. Okay? Just wait. Wait. Vanilla ice cream, Wait. Okay. Wait. Let's wake up. Okay. Okay. Vanilla.
I saw Zina! Zina! Wait. I was coming like this. Hey. I saw Zina. Zina was, she was walking, right? I saw Zina. Hey, Zina walked like this. Zina! Hey, that was Zina. Wait. Zina. Wait, I saw Zina. Zina! Wait! But I saw Zina! That's Zina. Zina.
Car almost jammed a whole me today. If I tell my sister this one, she no go ever allow me go to school alone. No, I no go tell her. Hey, you don't come back.
You don't come back. You don't come back, oh. Me if I don't come back. You don't come back.
Yes, sir.
How school go?
It day. How hustle?
Hustle day. In fact, hustle sweet today. I make money. You know say that
Plenty.
woman, mama, that woman wey come new for this area, she buy all my canoe. Buy am. I say, you know say she no dey buy normally na just 2, 3. But today she pack all my can, buy am. I dey surprised though. Next thing I see one man when I dey go pick another can, he just dash me money.
Hey, what?
I say, he say he like my hustling spirit.
You do work today, oh.
As in, I don't pack the money. I dey save am.
Guess what? I don't wear school. I don't wear low.
Today na one of the best days for this business wey we dey do.
Zina, I do not believe that you're dead. Alright? You are not dead. Because I went out there and I saw you. I saw you out there walking along the road. I don't know what is happening. I don't want to know. But you're not dead. My Zina is going to be brought back. You can't be dead. I'm going to bring Zina back. This Zina is going to be talking to me. I don't know what is happening, but Zina is not dead. Why not? Zina is not dead. Zina is not dead. Oh my God. I don't know what I'm doing. What? Come here. Come here. Ah! Oh my God. Zina is not dead. Zina is not dead.
too. Hey, oh my God. Baby, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Huh?
Because of me, yesterday no go work. Now, you go late. Everybody not pick on the con finish.
Make them pick am. I come this life, come pick.
We need money, oh. We need money.
Not as much as we need you. I need you to stay alive. You dare me very important.
We need chopper.
Make we dey go abeg.
They go, I did okay. Go house.
You sure? Come back here. You sure?
I sure nah.
See, when you dey waka, go by the side of the road, go stay. No enter middle of the no go dey pick come. Forget saying at school you dey go. You hear me?
They go now, they go.
I say they walk by the side of the road. No go dey waka for middle of the road. Keke na pep go jam you. You know say you na bike go touch you go fall. Oya dey go. Make I dey look you. Oya, dey go. Make I dey see you.
They go.
I don dey go. I say walk for side. You don't run, go enter. They okay, oh. I dey come your school now, come pick you. Hey, time to just rest. That's it. This one way you like that, like the same way they don't put inside the casket. What is up? You dey okay?
See, for school, auntie say, "May we describe our mama," but I no fit do
See, I don't tell you, say make you calm down. You go get your memory back. Now just time, give am time.
Now this thing you don't dey talk since. Time. What the time be? This thing dey pain me. I really won't remember my memory. But you no gree come back. But wait, what do you cause that fire? That take my mama on top. It can't remove my memory.
I don't even remember wetin happen that day again sef. E no too clear. You know say some kind things wey dey happen for your life, you no go keep record for your brain because na bad thing. But I know wetin mama look like. If to say that picture no burn, that fire no burn on our picture, I for show you, but I fit tell you wetin e look like. So wetin you wan know?
Everything. Like everything.
You sure say sleep no go carry you because e long?
Sleep na the last thing wey dey my mind. Just then, I wan hear everything.
Okay. I go start from the little things before I enter the details. I go just start from how mama look. Mama na very fine woman, no? Every time when I look am for face, I go dey say, I wan dey fine like this man.
And they say she has memory loss. Memory loss. memory loss. Fantastic. I'm going to remind her. I'm going to remind her of who you are, Zina. I'm going to put Zina into her mind. Her memory will be filled with Zina. Oh my God, this is so perfect. How did this even happen? Everything is working out. Everything is working out. You came back, Zina. You came back. Yes. Hello?
Maybe Jesus have been calling for days.
Yes, I'm okay, honey. I'm fine. A lot happened, you know. Hello? Can you hear me? My phone fell. Zina was playing with my phone, so it fell and my screen got broken. Yes, it took me until now to get it fixed.
It got me scared. You should have found a way out to call me.
Yes, I'm really sorry. You're right. I should have. Oh my God, a lot happened. I'm so sorry. Okay?
And how's our daughter? Is she okay?
She's sleeping. Zina is fine. She's sleeping. Zina, yes.
Tell her I miss her. I'll try to call again tomorrow.
I'm really sure she misses you too. I mean, she misses you.
Also, the family doctor called me. He said you called him and was sounding weird.
Yes. That's because I also fell. I panicked and then I called, but I'm fine now. It wasn't anything serious.
My God. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine. And you?
Please, be careful. Also, call the doctor and tell him you're fine. He's worried. Okay?
I'll do that immediately. I'll talk to you tomorrow, okay? You take care of yourself. And I miss you too. I miss you. I am going to bring you back. And everything is going to be all right. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine, right? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Everything is working out perfect. Perfect. Fine. My head is so heavy, but I'm fine. I'm fine.
Zina! 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 Zina, I've been calling you. Why are you not answering?
Zina, my name no be Zina.
What do you mean your name is not Zina? Are you cracking a joke?
No, I don't know you. Who you be?
Wait, don't act as if you don't know me. Wait, you don't remember me?
I been get accidents. I lose my memory, so I don't remember anything.
Sorry about that, I didn't know.
No wahala. But my name na Cassie. My name no be Zina.
No, your name is Zina. You and your parents have lived in Stadel Estate before, but I stopped seeing you. You went missing or something.
Missing?
I heard your parents have been looking for you.
You got the wrong person.
No, I know what I'm saying. It's you, Zina. I know what I'm saying.
I been get accidents, so I don't remember much.
Sorry about that. Sorry.
Oh yeah, I'm late for school.
Zina, wait. Zina.
That's very good. Okay, it's a very good start. Come. Zina, don't you remember me? Look at me, it's me. See? Eh?
Remember you as how?
It's me, your mom. I'm your mom. What have they done to my child? Please come, I
beg, no near me. Oh, my mama don't die. Hey?
Oh, is that what they told you?
Told me as how?
I know the people that took you away from me, they've done a lot to you to brainwash you, and I don't know whatever it is they've done to you, but I'm just here to let you know that your mother is alive and I'm your mom, and I can prove it to you that I'm your mom. Come.
Mama don't die now. What you talk?
No, see, listen, Zina. I know a lot is going through your mind. Just listen. Wait, come. Okay, let me show you something. See. What is this? Is this not you? Look at the both of us. See, we look at the memories we carry. Look at us. So if I do not know you, how?
I beg.
Zina! Zina! What is this? Is this not you? Look at the both of us. See,
Look at the memories we carry. Look at us. So if I do not know you, how?
I beg.
Zina!
Ha. Today na crazy day. Oh. First, now this girl in the morning. Now this mad woman.
I wasn't even happy.
Can I advise you?
Listen.
I think you should talk to Cassie.
About waiting, come.
Tell her what really happened.
Ha. Which one be say make I tell Cassie what really happened? As if say you don't know wetin happen. How you want make I take tell the girl the thing sef? How I go keep mouth take talk am? Say in dey play with lighter for im room. Come mistakenly on the lighter. Cut and catch fire. Before mama come inside. Everywhere don burn. As mama try save am, mama die. How you want me I take tell am?
But
you no know say if I tell am this thing, na him go come think say na him cause the death of a mama. Abeg. I no go tell am o.
But she will eventually regain her memory.
But she never regain the memory now. We never reach that time.
But she will.
My friend, see, I no go wan put that kind heavy burden on top my sister head. You know wetin him be? You know wetin him be say na him cause the death of a mama, come make him lose his own memory. The girl go dey cry every day. See, that my sister emotional o. Forget all this thing wey she dey do na gara, initial gara. That girl dey very emotional. I no go wan tell am this story now. She go dey cry every night, every day. She dey already do like old madam. I no know. I beg, I no go tell am. You sef don spoil my mood. Which one be say make I tell my sister? As if say you no know wetin happen.
You don't do.
I know they follow you go house.
Alright, let's go now.
They go abeg.
Let's go now. I was just trying to help.
Okay, but this kind help is no balance. Which one be say make I tell my sister? You sef know wetin happen.
Wetin happen wey you no want make I remember? And the picture, if e really born, how that woman take get am?
Wow. This girl. Cause you never sleep. This is up. You dey okay?
I fit ask you something.
No, what's your last?
When fire burn our house, everything really burn? Like, all our pictures burn?
Now, I don't tell you this story before. See, everything burn. Everything. I say the only thing we remain for that thing, for that incident wey happen na us and the clothes wey we wear run comot for the fire. Every single thing burn. That's why it take happen.
So we not get any pictures at all?
Let's see happen. Why they ask me this kind of question by this time of the night?
Nothing.
No, you. Which one be say you nothing? You sit down, they think for middle of the night. Pikin like you, small pikin. Wetin happen?
Sleep, just sleep.
You ask me wetin really picture wey born. She dey find picture. Everything born. I was born. Zinc. Everything.
they lie. That woman get my picture. If the fire thing not true, how she can't get my picture?
You don't dey sleep. Oh, you still stand up. Yeah. Oh, money, you go tell me what you think. Sleep dey my eye for now.
You're welcome. You're welcome home, my baby. This is your house, okay? Huh? Let me take you inside to your room. Okay? Come, this way. Let me have your bag. Here, this way. Thank you. Welcome back, my child. Eh?
This room fine.
You like it? This is your room, and this is how neat it's been kept ever since you disappeared from our lives. Guess what? You are a very neat child. You've always kept your room this neat. In fact, it doesn't matter if the entire house is messy. Your room is always clean.
Oh, this is not my room.
Yes. This is your room. Oh, you can't remember that?
I don't remember.
You know what? Not to worry. See, don't worry yourself. Gradually, slowly, but eventually, you're going to remember everything. Okay?
Okay.
Just give it time. It's just a process. Alright? And I'm here to help you remember. Alright? I'll just help you freshen up immediately.
No worry, I go do one by myself.
Eh? You mean you don't need your mother's help anymore? Oh my God, my baby is such a grown-up. You know, I remember when you always used to cry to ask me to do everything for you, including wearing your clothes. You would beg me, Mommy, please, Mommy, please. But look at you now. You know what? You're back into our lives now, and that's all that matters. So, I'm going to go downstairs and get your food ready, alright? By the way, that's the bathroom door. Okay? So, you go into the bathroom, take your bath, I'll be downstairs fixing your food in the kitchen. If you need anything, just call me. Okay, Mama?
Wait. What of my papa?
Your father is on a trip. Okay, but trust me, he'll be back very soon. And he's aware you're back home. Okay? Alright, so, alright? You take your bath. I'll be cooking for you. Okay?
Schools don't come back by now. School don't close. We then give them punishment. No, that girl is too quiet in school to be giving punishment. Even if they give her punishment, she should be back by now. Or should I go and wait for her on the road? Let me go and wait for her in the school road. That girl, maybe she has gone to fight somebody.
I know you love vanilla ice cream. Here, take. You can have as much as you want. Okay? I know this is your favorite, right? Take, eat up. Drink. How is it?
It is sweet.
Good. You can have even 10 plates of vanilla if you like. Okay? Good girl. That's my child. Go on. Go on. Hey, be careful. Go. My child. I know you love vanilla, don't you? Hmm? Good. Do you like it? Hmm?
I beg, sorry. When I see any small girl, she did like this. She fair.
We didn't see anybody.
School uniform she wear. She get this my hair exactly.
We didn't see anybody. Let's look at check fronts. We can check fronts. We didn't see anybody.
Small girl, no be. She not tall like this, oh, like this.
No, sorry. We can check fronts. We didn't see anybody.
Where she come go? She supposed to pass this road, come house now. Cassie.
Right? Yeah, but you said you. Okay. Wait, I'm going to take care of it, okay? Wait now. Wait, just wait. Hold on. I didn't know. Okay, wait, hold on. See, you know what? I'm going to take care of this. Okay, come. I'll give you something. Come. Sorry. You should have. I didn't know. Hey, I knew you were allergic to ice cream. Sorry.
Hey, Cassie. Hey. Hey. Where you come there now? School don't close. School don't close, sis. School don't close this morning. You never come back. Hey. Cassie, where you come there? Where you come go now? You're supposed to come back by now. I see they wait you. Just come back. I see they wait you.
Sit up and take a seat, okay? Just drink gently. Sorry.
What, buddy? Ice cream day. Do my mouth like that.
I guess you're allergic to it.
What's in the allergy?
I think your body doesn't like it.
If you know say my body not like them, why you give me may I drink?
You know what happened is that when you were way younger, you used to be allergic to ice cream. But somewhere along the line you outgrew it, yes, and you started taking ice cream. In fact, ice cream became one of your favorite things. But I guess it's back without me knowing. Maybe it's, I don't know, not completely gone. I just realized now that the allergy is back. And guess what? I promise, sorry. Okay? I promise never to give you ice cream again. Alright?
Okay.
I'm so sorry. Now, lie down and have some rest, okay? Wakey, wakey. Good morning, princess. Good morning, princess. How do you feel today?
Fine.
Okay, you would need all your strength today because I'm taking you out.
Where would you go?
Guess what? It's a surprise. But first, I need you to freshen up and come downstairs for breakfast. Okay? Okay? So I'll be waiting for you. My princess. Look how beautiful you look. Listen. When Nkem took you, she did a lot to you. She brainwashed you. She took everything away from you, your identity. She literally changed your identity. Gave you a new name. Brainwashed you into making you believing that you're who you're not. But I'm here now. Alright? And I am going to help you step by step. Remember everything about you. I'll restore your originality. Okay? But first, there are rules. You will have to stop speaking broken English.
Give me that one now.
What did I just hear you say? No. You're not from the gutters. Alright? You are going to speak like the Zina that you are in your true dictions. Okay? Now listen to me. Your name is not Cassie. Your name is Zina. Zina Obiora. That's the name your father gave you. Do not let anybody change that. Say, my name is Zina.
My name is Anna.
Say it again. Say it like you mean it. Say,
My name is Zina.
No, not your name be Zina. Say, my name is Zina.
My name is Zina.
Zina Obiora.
Zina
Obiora. Say, I am Zina Obiora.
I am Zina
Obiora. Good. That's my girl. And also, you are going to call me mommy. Not calling me mommy. I mean, I am mommy. Right?
So, I stop calling you Mama.
You say mommy. Try, let me hear.
Mommy.
Again.
Mommy.
Again.
Mommy.
Just like Zina always does. Welcome back, Zina. Welcome back, my daughter. Zina who?
Zina.
Zina who?
Obiora.
Zina who?
Obiora.
Who is Zina again?
Obiora.
Who is Zina again?
Zina.
Are you Zina?
Yes.
Who's Cassie? Are you Cassie?
Zina, my baby girl. finally I get to hear your voice. Your mom says you've been so busy.
Yes, Daddy, I've been very, very busy.
Busy kid. I was beginning to worry. You've never stayed this long without talking to me. I almost forgot what your voice sounded like.
Babes. I'm afraid we have to go now. Because we have quite a lot to do today. So if you don't mind, I'll call you back later. Okay?
Alright. Take care of yourself, my darling.
Of course I will. You too take care. Alright? Love you. Bye.
Mommy? Why did Daddy act like nothing happened? Like, I've been missing. So...
Of course, you've been missing. And, I told him not to bring it up. I mean, what's the point dwelling on the bad things that's happened to us in life? I just wanted us to dwell on the present and the future. You were missing, but guess what? You're back in our lives now. And that's what matters. Say cheese. Cheese. Okay? Okay? That's it. Glad you're back home. To me. I love it. Hold on. I really do love this one. And this also. You look like a clown.
Not fair.
Not fair. Okay, sorry. You look like what?
Surprise! Hey, darling.
Daddy's back.
My angel. Whoa! Baby, you're not as heavy as you used to be. Has she been eating at all?
Of course, she's very witty. We just spoke, and you didn't mention that you're on your way back.
I wanted to surprise you.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Now that you're back, I think you just settle down and I'll fix something to eat.
Are you okay?
Welcome back. How was the trip?
Are you okay?
Of course I'm fine, and you? You good?
I'm very well.
Okay. Come, let's go to the kitchen, Tima. Just gonna make something for Daddy to eat. Daddy is back.
I don't cook, Mommy.
You cook.
What's going on? Okay, I will join you guys later. It's good to be home. Good darling.
No.
Okay. But you used to eat a double portion of this. What's going on?
No. Zina doesn't eat that much anymore. I guess she has I don't know. She's no longer a foodie like she used to. You need to understand that these kids are growing, and as they grow, a lot changes about them.
I see. New development, I guess.
Oh yes, I mean, she's a child, she's growing. You don't expect her to just have one, They keep changing every day as they grow.
Yes.
Sweetheart, I bought you goodie. Thank you. Thank you. My darling, you used to scream when I buy you gifts.
Yeah?
Yeah, you bounce on the bed, you jump around, you hug me, you peck me,
Good night.
girl.
Okay. Wait! I didn't even give you a peg.
Oh.
Good night, Dada.
Good night, my darling. But you know you don't have to do that always.
Oh, yes, I do. Let's go otherwise saying good night.
Good night.
Good night, Dada.
I love you.
I love you too.
Good night, Zina. Do you feel like Zina is different?
Different how? What's different about Zina?
I mean, she's colder, outrightly different. At the dining, she couldn't even finish her food.
Well, maybe she's no longer a foodie like she used to. Is that...
Mabel.
Yes?
Zina asked for more. She does.
Babe, like I said, there's nothing, it's not a big deal. You can't be making a fuss out of that because she didn't eat as much. It doesn't make her difference. She's only growing. Alright? I mean, these are part of the changes you expect in kids as they grow.
Alright, fine. I got her a toy. Something she has asked for a long time. She just thanked me as if it meant nothing to her.
Maybe stop making a fuss out of this. I mean, it's not a big deal. She didn't appreciate it as much because she probably outgrew it or something. If she had gotten it when she really wanted it, maybe, just maybe, she'd be more excited about it.
Okay, fine. Then again, I walked into her room. She didn't even stand to peck me or do something or hug me.
Oh my goodness, baby, stop. I know you've really missed Zina on this trip and you want her to just jump all over you and, be all the daddy and daughter thing that you always do. But, baby, you have to understand that it's about mood too sometimes. Just like you also have mood swings as an adult. Children do. Alright? She'll come around. Just let her be. Come on.
That's fine. You're right.
Stressing on the bed for you to relax. I don't know.
Alright, let me just get water.
Oh, okay. Does he know?
Hey, Kazi. Hey! Kazi, where you come go now? Where you come go? I don't go police. Even after the 48 hours where they say make I come, they still say make I bring money. I bring money, they say no, they know where I won't see that kind of money now. Where I won't see that kind of money. Kazi, don't do me this thing. Kazi, don't do me like this. Kazi, now. I beg. I don't know what I'm going to do again. I beg, just come back. I don't know where I go find you go. I don't find you go everywhere. When they for this area, you know there where you come go. Oh, they need to go to school, come back. Now where is it make they follow you, they come out? Hey!
Welcome back, baby.
Thank you. Zina's teacher called.
Okay.
She said she's different. She stays on her own. Her performance in school is not as it used to be. Baby, you see that someone else has confirmed this. Something is wrong with our daughter.
Well, I'm actually doing something about it. I'm trying my best to find out what the problem is, but it's a process that needs time.
Look, I am worried.
You don't have to be worried.
I have to because she is my daughter.
I understand. And I am doing everything as her mom to get to the bottom of this. Okay? Welcome back. Now that you're here, I think we might have to just eat together. Okay? Maybe I was watching something. Baby, shake it off.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Let me just fix this.
Hey, darling.
Daddy.
How are you? How was school today?
Fine.
You're watching this? What happened to cartoons?
But I don't like cartoons.
My darling, you used to love cartoons. Well, anyway, I got you something. Your favorite.
Vanilla ice cream.
Yeah, I know you love them. You love it, right?
Don't you know I don't like it?
How do you mean don't like it? It's your favorite, you love it.
No, I don't like it. I don't eat it.
What do you mean you don't eat it? You used to like vanilla ice cream.
You can ask Mommy.
What are you talking about?
What is going on, babe?
She doesn't like vanilla ice cream. What's going on?
Oh no, she doesn't eat vanilla. I'm sorry, oh my god, I'm so sorry. My fault. I should have told you. Zina recently developed an allergy. She doesn't eat vanilla ice creams anymore. It's something I just recently found out. It's not even been too long. She took it and she reacted badly to it, so I've stopped giving her. You know what, Mama? I am going to get you something else in place of this, okay? I'll just quickly trash this. I'll get you something else, okay, my love? Baby, I'm sorry for not telling you. Just so much on my mind.
You okay?
Mommy,
Yes?
why does Daddy act like he doesn't know
He doesn't know what?
that I don't eat vanilla?
Who says he doesn't know? Of course he knows. You know, because Daddy travels a lot for business and work, he tends to forget little things. So,
It didn't look like he forgot.
who told you that? Does it have to look like he forgot? I said he forgot. Daddy forgets things, okay? That's just an oversight on his own part.
He wasn't even acting like I was missing.
How many times do I need to tell you that? we both agreed not to talk about it. That is not, it's not supposed to act like you were missing because you're no longer missing. You're back now. You're back to us. And we both decided not to bring that up. That's like bringing up the past. Of what use is the past to us when our child is already here with us? Zina, you know I'm your mommy. And I don't want to believe that you think your mommy is lying to you. Because mommies don't lie, do they? Good girl. And you know that I love you so much. Right? Right?
Yes.
Come here.
You want to watch the movie?
Of course I'm watching the movie with you. What is wrong?
Earlier today, the ice cream. You said Zina can't eat vanilla ice cream.
Yes, I said that. She can no longer eat vanilla ice cream. That's because she's allergic to it.
Does that make sense to you? 3 weeks before I traveled, she sat on the couch and ate full vanilla ice cream. You were there and nothing happened to her. What are you saying?
I was there. Okay, it's been 3 weeks. 3 weeks is a long time for anybody to develop any kind of allergic reaction towards anything, especially food.
A child who has never been allergic to vanilla ice cream suddenly started having it. Does that make sense to you?
It doesn't have to make sense. And then when you say suddenly, 3 weeks it's such a long time. Somebody can like something today and then the next day the person doesn't. I don't know. She's allergic to it, and that's the. It is what it is.
Something is wrong somewhere.
And what can possibly...
I don't know. We have to figure it out because I can't understand my daughter. I can't feel my daughter anymore.
If she doesn't like vanilla, we get her something else. If she's now allergic to vanilla ice cream, then... there are other flavors of ice cream that she can take. We just have to try other ice creams and it's not a big deal.
What did you say?
Three weeks ago, Nkem and I were out the street picking can. But they just said Zina was here 3 weeks ago. But I wasn't here. I was with Nkem. So if Zina was here and I wasn't here, that means I'm not Zina. This woman is not my mother. She has been lying to me. Who is Zina and who am I? Nkem, I have to talk to her. I have to leave this house.
If you can hear me, please come back. Please. I don't know where you are. I need you to come back to me, please. Please. I beg, I dey beg you. Please. know say that you be the only person where I get for this life. Now only you. Only you. I don't have another sister.
Hey, little girl. Come on in. Shh, that's enough. And where do you think you're going?
Nowhere.
Nowhere? You little liar. Do you think I didn't see you sneaking around the hallway yesterday? Huh?
3 weeks before I traveled, she sat on the couch and ate full vanilla ice cream. You were there and nothing happened to her. What are you saying?
I was there.
The finding came. You lied to me. 3 weeks ago, Zina was here. And 3 weeks ago, I was on the road begging come with Inkem.
So what?
I'm not Zina. And who is Zina?
And who are you to ask me that? I might as well just tell you. Oh well. You are not Zina, right? Zina was my daughter. She died, sadly. But the good part is, God replaced her with you. You are now my Zina. Okay?
Okay.
Good!
I want to go home.
You want to go home? I want to go home. Like you're in the bush.
Where's Inkem?
Oh, Inkem? Okay. Oh well. She wasn't arrested like I made you believe. As for that man who said he was a police officer, that was a lie. I paid him to tell you that so you can believe my story. But all that is not important right now because you are here to be my child, Zina. Alright? And if I ever catch you trying to escape again, eyes have not seen, ears have not heard, what I will do to you. I am going to hurt you real bad. And guess what? You might never, ever see him again because I'm going to hurt her too. And I know you wouldn't want that. Would you? I thought as much. Smart girl. Now, come on, you go inside. Rubbish. Zina!
Daddy!
Yes,
Daddy! Can I talk to you?
Zina! Your friend Amaka, she wants to talk to you on a video call. Amaka?
But babe, she's about to tell me something.
No, it's not gonna take time. Amaka's been wanting to talk to her for a long time now. Zina! I mean Amaka wants to talk to you, okay? She's been wanting to talk to her for a very long time now. Amaka, do I switch to a video call already? She's coming up. Zina is coming up. Run, Zina! Zina!
I beg. Anybody will help me see my sister. I beg. Me can come back my house. My sister goes to school. She never come back.
Did you hear that?
She don't come back to school.
Hmm?
Do everything. Yes, I don't find
Do you
out
want me to hurt her?
where I know say.
No, right?
Even places
Well,
where they go, I don't
oh, I
find
shouldn't.
out there.
Well, I can actually do that, but with your cooperation. Alright? Henceforth, do not speak to my husband again. In fact, do not speak with anybody about this, because if you do, if you do, I'm going to hurt her. You will never see her again. Do I make myself clear? Do I? Good girl.
Hey, darling.
Hi, Daddy.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes.
Good. The cheers. You want some more?
No.
Oh, okay. So, earlier today, you said you wanted to tell me something? What was it?
Nothing.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Oh, okay. All right. Enjoy your cheers.
Thank you.
You keep getting quiet by the day. Are you really okay?
I'm fine, Daddy.
Okay, but you haven't shared any of your poems. Have you written anything new?
No.
No? You? Poems? Come on, that's not like you.
I just don't feel like writing.
Okay. But if there is anything on your mind, please do not hesitate to tell me, okay? Is that fine?
Yes, Daddy.
All right.
You have to do better, Zina. Because you looked like a lost little ghost at dinner. Do not bring about suspicions. Alright? I do not want a situation where Opiora would have any reason to come in here and talk to you again. Because he's beginning to get suspicious. Huh? If he finds out, you know what's going to happen, right?
Please don't hurt her.
Oh, perfect then. I won't hurt her. But you have to do better. Eat!
I promise I'll be more lively.
Perfect. You have to be lively. It's not like you have any choice. Eat. Smile. Laugh. Just like Zina would. I need you to be very comfortable around this house. Because this is your house.
Yes.
Good girl.
Daddy, I wrote a poem.
My darling, really?
Do you want to hear?
Yes, I want to hear. I've missed it a lot. Please go ahead.
The sky is wide. The stars are near. The wind may blow, but I don't fear. In this home, I laugh, I stay, because I'm loved here every day.
Wow, this is beautiful. I am impressed, my darling. Thank you. See the smile? You have brightened my evening and I'm so happy. Look, I love this version of you. Please keep smiling for Daddy, okay? Thank you. One more thing. I have a surprise for you. Just please stay here while I get it for you. Wow, you did great. I'm coming for you, okay? Hold on for me. Babe, that woman, the way she looked like Sina, like she's seen a ghost. And seems she knows it too.
I do not know her. Clearly, that woman is confused.
No, but she called Zina's name.
I said I do not know her. Alright? I do not know her. Why are you acting like it's the first time you see people mistake people for other people? I mean, it happens every day.
No, but she called Zina's name.
I said I do not know her. Alright? And what cares if she calls Zina's name? Is it the first time you've seen... haven't you met people that know you and you don't know them? Please, oh. What's all this? I can't even believe you're giving this a second thought. Is this even supposed to be a problem? Why are we even talking about... Why are we having this conversation?
Who is that?
Income!
What are you doing? Wind up the glass! What is all this rubbish?
Income!
Cassie!
Income!
Hey! Hey! Cassie! Oh, Cassie, Jesus Christ! Cassie, if you help me stop that motor! Somebody help me stop that motor! I beg you, my sister be that! No, my only sister be that! Bros, I beg that motor, that black lettuce! Stop him, help me! Oh, carry my sister come out like this now. Bro, she say no fear help me. That's a mad woman. Why are you giving this? Why you want to pull over for a mad woman?
Mabel, do you know any Cassie?
Hello, is there any Cassie in this car? Are you Cassie? I don't know her.
Zina, do you know any Cassie?
Of course she doesn't. Why are you even asking her? Do you?
No, I don't. I don't know anybody.
What is all this?
Why is she just in her
Or
car?
is this the first time you've seen mad people run after cars? Is this your first time? You expected me to know the woman in the restaurant and also know all the mad people on the streets. Was I mad in my former life?
It's okay.
It's not okay. Oh, please drive this car, drive me home. I'm already tired. You're stepping on my last nerve.
I see her. Eh? I don't know why I just leave her. I should have chased that car. I shouldn't have stopped at all. I should have just chased her. I shouldn't have gotten tired and stopped. Why? Why did I lose her like that? Oh.
Okay.
Shoma.
I see her.
See waiting.
I see Cassie.
You see Cassie?
Yes.
She
She come for that restaurant where they work. She come there with a man and a woman. And Cassie don't change. She's no longer looking like Cassie.
I see him too.
You see her?
See her for one car like that. I tried Jessica. No, I know Jessica. I chase him. I almost got her, man. I don't know. I'm dead tired. My leg no be motor now. But I for chase that car. I for chase that car. I for catch her. My sister did for that car. Oh. My sister did for that car. My own sister. How she take enter the car now? I be the promise and switch. She come collect. And I know. My sister no dey like that. My sister no dey like that. She no go fit collect person sweet. But I regret why I no chase that car. Oh. I for chase that car. Should be you say na your restaurant you come.
Yes.
You know wetin happen? I go dey come your restaurant. I go come tomorrow. Shebi they don't go. I go come tomorrow. Come next tomorrow. Come the next day. I go just dey come until I see them. I got see that girl. Oh. I got see. Here.
Don't worry, yeah. Everything go dey fine, yeah.
No, it's go dey fine. I for chase that car and I dey close. If to say I run small now, I for chase am catch am.
Don't worry. You will soon see her.
That's a mad woman. Why are you giving this? Where you want to pull over for a mad woman?
Mabel, do you know any Cassie?
Hello? Is there any Cassie in this car? Are you Cassie? I don't know her.
Zina, do you know any Cassie?
Of course she doesn't. Why are you even asking her? Do you?
No, I don't. I don't know anybody called.
What is all this?
Why is she just in her
Or
car?
is this the first time you've seen mad people run after cars? Is this your first time? You expected me to know the woman in the restaurant and also know all the mad people on the streets. Was I mad in my former life?
It's okay.
It's not okay. Oh, please drive this car. Drive me home. I'm already tired. You're stepping on my last nerve.
What is going on?
Excuse me, sir. Sorry, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You were here with your wife and your daughter some days ago. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry. There's one woman that came here and she asked me to give you this anytime you came around. And she said you should make sure you call her and you guys need to meet. That is very, very important.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Dr. Irene?
Yes. No. Yes. Okay.
No be this man be this.
Waiting now. You say make I come.
Why you come late?
Which one be where?
The man don't come and he don't go.
Hey! You mean say the man come here come out?
He don't go.
Hey! Why you leave am come out now? Why you do me this kind of thing? When you leave and come out, as you see the man and see enter that gate, you for go lock the gate, shout kidnapper, kidnapper, make everybody where they hear gather beat am.
I should shout kidnapper.
Now.
With which evidence?
I be your hide witness. I go come show. Just put call, send somebody make him come here. I go come show.
You dey here that day wey dem come? You know dey here now. If for dey here wey may you see that man look like person wey get money. You wan make dey arrest me? Abi you wan make I lose this small job wey I dey manage dey take care of myself? Okay. The only thing wey I know say I fit do wey I don already do na this thing now wey I tell you. I no fit do anything again now. I no get money to get myself.
My sister be this thing wey I dey talk
o. I understand.
See you next time if you come here, you hold am, hold the man. Even if na to serve am free drink, him go pay. Just hold am, entertainment, do am to remain. Him go pay. Don't worry.
Nkema, I should hold the man. Nkema, I no fit now. They go sack me. I no fit. The only thing be say you go come back tomorrow again. Just very early in the morning, dress up and come back. Yeah. Now wait till you go fit do.
My sister that my own.
Sorry, I know, I understand.
The only person for this world where I get.
Okay, I understand, yeah?
That's that girl.
Sorry.
My sister did that man handle.
Sorry.
Mr. Obiora, thanks for coming. I know this might sound strange.
Look, go straight to the point. You said it was about Zena, so what is it?
Yes, Mr. Obiora. Your daughter died. I was the one on duty when they brought her to the hospital. I signed the death certificate myself.
This must be a joke. What are you saying? My daughter is alive. She's at home with my wife. You said it. You saw us at the restaurant the other day, right? So why are you saying that my daughter is dead?
Mr. Obiora, when I saw her at that restaurant, I was shocked. Your wife brought her to the hospital, already dead. I know what I am saying.
Does this make sense to you? Are you listening to yourself?
Anyway, there's no need talking too much. This is the death certificate. I signed this myself. Take a look at it.
This is nonsense. You hear me? It's nonsense. I should have even called you the first time. okay? You said there's something you wanted to talk to me about. What is it? Look. Talk to me. I promise you. You're safe. Alright? Don't be scared. I'm here to protect you. Talk to me.
I don't want anything to happen to my sister.
Your sister? Jesus Christ.
Thank you. She was chasing the car the other day. I lied to you, she's my sister.
You're not Zena? Who are you? Look, my darling, I need you to tell me everything that you know. Okay? Please. Can you do that for me? Are you sure you can do that for me?
Baby, what's wrong? Huh? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Where is our daughter?
Huh? Zena. Zena is in her room, sleeping, right?
No, she's not. And stop lying to me. Where is Zena?
I'm not lying. I mean, Zena is sleeping.
What? I'm going to ask you for the last time, maybe where's my daughter? Where is my daughter?
Zena died.
What?
Zena died. Zena died.
What? How?
Zena, it was an accident, okay? Zena slipped and she hit her head. She hit her head so hard. I panicked and for a moment I thought she was unconscious. But she died. She died. My sister died, but all all that is not even important right now.
Where did you bury her?
I buried her.
You buried my daughter without me? What? How did you bury her? Did you use a casket?
No. I didn't use any caskets. Okay, I didn't. Everything was so fast. It happened so fast.
You buried my daughter like a fowl?
No, I buried her.
Jesus Christ! What did you do?
Calm down, okay? I understand. Calm down. I buried her like Zina. Okay. Zina died and another Zina showed up. God replaced my Zina. And I just had to bury Zina. But I have another Zina. Zina is in her room sleeping. Alright, that's all that matters right now. Just calm down. I want you to understand that though Zina may be dead, but she's not dead, okay?
That's not my child. That is someone else's child. Her sister has been looking for her. And you pretended that she is ours. Maybe you kidnapped an innocent child, manipulated her to believe that she is your child. How can you be this cruel?
Stop! I'm not cruel, okay? You have to calm down. Okay, relax. You cannot tell me that I'm cruel, okay? Listen. I gave that girl the life that she has now. I picked her up. And I am the reason she is the way she is, okay? I do not care if you want to be a father to her or not. But all that matters to me is that my Zina died and God gave me another Zina. That is Zina. My Zina is not dead. I know it's a lot for you to process, but just calm down. Okay? Calm down. Please. Calm down.
Did she ask you for it?
No.
She didn't.
No, she didn't. No, she didn't.
You used that girl's gullibility and you're here trying to justify your actions?
Oh, I'm not.
What?
I'm not justifying.
Who are you to? Because this is not the Mabel I married. Who are you?
I'm Mabel. No, I'm not Mabel. I'm not Mabel. I'm not Mabel anymore. The Mabel you knew and married died. I died with Zina. When Zina died, I died. I stopped to exist. Okay? And you cannot stand here and call me cruel. You cannot judge any pain you have not witnessed, okay? If you were here with me by my side, maybe my child would not die. But, of course, your job was more important to you. You were running around the world, attending to businesses, and my child died in my own arms, and you expect me to be the same Mabel. No! I am not the same Mabel! I am not. I don't care what anybody says. All that matters to me right now is that I have a child. I have a child. I have Zina. She's sleeping. She's sleeping. Yes. And I'm not mad.
You listen to me. Listen to me. I'm taking that girl back.
No, you're not.
Home.
No.
And I'm going to call the doctor to come check on you because you are losing it.
Okay.
Maybe you are losing it.
Okay. And you are not taking my child away from me! Come back here! No!
You are losing it!
I am fine! Leave me alone! Come here! Inikpi! Don't do this to me! Please! I'm begging you! Obiora! Okay, fine. Let's talk about it. Obiora! Please, I'm begging you! Please! Don't take my child away from me. I'm begging you in the name of God. My child is not dead. Ah!
now. Can you be this? True. Cassie, you come make new hair. Come. Okay. Now you do all these things for my sister.
Yeah, by the special grace of God.
Thank you. God bless you. You no go ever lack anything. You carry my sister, take care of and come bring back to me. No be say I dey happy say you carry am o, but at least you bring am back to me in good health. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. But I want to make a request.
Anything wey you talk, Oga, you don't do me good. Abeg talk.
No, fine. I'm thinking, if both of you could come with me to my house. Yes, it's just to give you a better life that you deserve. Change your environment, change everything, change your school as well. Please.
Ogami, I know say you be good person by just bringing my sister, but I know say you be good. But no be the one where I could just pack my bag, they follow you, they go your house. I don't know you before now. Thank you for bringing my sister back, but this kind of offer.
I know, but you it's up to you. You can just think about it.
I go think I no go just carry my bag, they follow you. Make I think about them, I beg.
It's fine by me. Fine. Maybe I could come back by the weekend too.
That one no be problem. Make I just think
It's okay.
Make we go inside. Thank you.
One more thing, please. Just please.
No. Ogami, I beg. You don't already do me good. Look at my sister now. Look at her. She fine. You can't bring her back to me. I beg. This one go then too much.
No. This is just to, just a little to take care of yourselves.
We don't worry. We dey pick cocoa and that one they help us. They take care of the chop. No worry yourself. You dey stress too much now. I don't like to dey indebted to people.
But you are not indebted to me.
Okay, no worry, I beg. Shebi you talk say make I think about that offer. If I think about am, I agree. We go your house. But this one, I beg. No spend money like that. Money hard to get for this economy. Thank you, I appreciate. I like money, but don't worry.
It's okay.
Don't worry.
I'll come back.
Thank you. Bye. Let's see.